How to fix Android keeps turning off. Hi everyone, welcome to the channel. This is Rose, and without further ado, let's dive right into the video. If your Android phone keeps turning off unexpectedly, it could be due to software issues, hardware problems, or settings. So let's get started. First of all, you simply need to check battery health. A faulty or degraded battery is one of the most common reasons. You have to inspect the battery, and you can use the diagnostic apps like AccuBattery and can check your battery's health. Method 2. You need to check for overheating. Phone shuts down to prevent damage when they overheat. You can remove the case and avoid heavy uses and keep it on a cool place. Method 3. Check for software glitches. For that, you can easily press and hold the power button and long press power off until the safe mode option appears and then tap OK to restart in safe mode. You can even update software for that. Go ahead and open settings and using the search bar check for updates. Then you will see the list of software updates including other updates as well. Simply wait for 1 to 2 seconds and open it. If there is any, you need to download and install your software to the latest version. You can even perform a factory reset. For that, go back to settings section, tap on search bar and type in reset. Then here you will see the reset options. You can select reset phone. Now select erase all data and enter your lock screen. Now tap on erase data. If none of this above works, the issue might be hardware related, such as faulty motherboard or battery connector. You can visit an authorized service center or a trusted repair shop for professional assistance. So that's it. I hope this guide was helpful. If it was, then do like, share, comment, and don't forget to subscribe.